Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 9th November 2025. Title of Murli. While bringing the powers of truth and purity into your form, keep a balance of being a child and a master. Bap Dada said. Bap Dada emphasized that the power of truth is supreme, and the foundation of this power of truth is complete purity. This purity must be so profound that not even in thought, word, deed, relationships, or contact, nor even in dreams, should there be any trace of impurity. Baba then inquired, "Are you all experienced in the power of truth and purity?" Purity is your birthright, and one does not have to strive for a birthright. Now, check if the power of purity and truth has become your natural nature. Furthermore, Baba bestowed a boon upon the new children, stating, "Even those who started last can make swift spiritual effort and achieve a first division position." The Father's help is always present, along with the good wishes and pure feelings of the entire Brahman family. Therefore, the certainty and intoxication of being both a child and a master should always prevail. And this intoxication should be practically evident in your conduct and on your face. Finally, Baba stated that the primary reason for any problem or obstacle arising is the mind. It is the mind that becomes agitated. Hence, always remember Bap Dada's mantra, Manmana Bhav, be mind conscious of the Father. It should not merely be a remembrance that I am a soul, but rather, I am a master almighty soul. I am a sovereign ruler. No problem or obstacle can stand before me. Blessing for today. May you claim a right to an elevated status by transforming yourself and becoming an image of support for the world. Details are: in order for you to attain an elevated status, Bap Dada's teachings are, children, each of you must transform yourself. Instead of transforming yourself, when you think about or have thoughts about transforming a situation or other souls, or think that you must receive some salvation, cooperation or support and you would then transform yourself, when you transform yourself on the basis of some support, your reward would also depend on some support. This is because, however many you take support from, your account of accumulation will accordingly be shared between that many. Therefore, constantly have the aim that you have to transform yourself into being an image of support for the world. Slogan is, by having zeal and enthusiasm and elevated thoughts in every gathering, success is already guaranteed. Om Shanti. Avyakt Signal. Increase the practice of the bodiless stage, Ashriri and Videhi. When someone is weak, he is given glucose to give him energy. In the same way, when you consider yourself to be a bodiless soul, detached from your body, this stage of a detached observer works to fill you with power. For as long as you have the stage of a detached observer, you will also remember the Father, your companion, that is, you will have his company.